everyone, welcome to Cooking Dairy Free and Alpha with Nancy. So today we're going to make some kind of sweet desserts. They are called Mexican Mocha Balls. You know, it's not my recipe. This recipe comes from Better Homes and Gardens Cooking and Homemade Cookies Cookbook. Oh my goodness. So they got 1 cup of butter or margarine softened, a half a cup of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a fourth a cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of instant coffee crystals, a fourth of a teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of finely chopped walnuts, and a half a cup of chopped maraschino cherries, and then extra fine granulated sugar because that's for the covering. And it says cream first 3 ingredients, sift flour with cocoa, coffee, and salt. Gradually beat into cream mixture. Stir in nuts and cherries. Chill 1 hour. Form into 1-inch balls. Place on ungreased baking sheet. Bake at 325 for 20 minutes. Cool on rack. While warm but not hot, dust with extra fine sugar. And here are those right there. So that's what we're going to attempt to make today. So let's bring y'all down here. I've got the sugar in the bowl. We're going to put our butter in there. Because, you know, I check the ingredients because sometimes I'll look at something and I'll look at it backwards or something, and then I'm just like, oh, we'll just go with it. So we're going to cream our butter and our sugar. And teaspoon of vanilla. So that's about a teaspoon of vanilla. Look them over there. Alrighty. Here we go. Alright, that didn't take too long. So, it says to take the other, like the flour and then sweetened cocoa powder and instant coffee and put it in another bowl and mix together, and then add as you go along. I'm going to do mine a little bit different. So we need 2 cups of flour. Let me get a measuring cup. So that's 1 cup. That's 2 cups. Put that over there. Then we need a fourth of a cup of cocoa powder. So that's a fourth there. A little extra doesn't hurt. So there we got a fourth cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of instant coffee, And I'm just eyeballing these. So, how about that? And then our salt. And it says 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. So like a pinch. A pinch of salt. Or a dash. I think a dash is 1/8 and a pinch is 1/4. And then we're going to mix this all together. As much as I possibly can. Alright, so then you add your chopped nuts, and I didn't chop my nuts. We're just gonna, I mean, there is an easy way to do this. So if you want to chop nuts, put them in a Ziploc bag. Take a hammer if you don't have a hammer or something that's take the back of a knife, and then you got your chopped walnuts. Whoop, pop the hole in the bag. So that called for 1 cup. So we'll do some more. There you go. There we go. Add those in there. There are your nuts. And then your maraschino cherries. So, let me get the cutting board. And a little paring knife. And we'll get these cut up. tell you, these can be sticky. Or you can always buy the dried cherries that are in the store at this time of year. But with maraschino cherries, you can get them anytime. And I said a half a cup of these. We'll do several more. Alrighty. And this is good on top of ice cream. Remember how they used to make cherry Coca-Cola? I worked for Shoney's as a teenager. I'll tell you when I get back. Okie dokie. We're going to put this, all of it in there, even the juices goes in there. And we're going to get this another good mix. I'm going to get this off of here. So I'll just use this knife. And then we're going to chill this for an hour. And after it's chilled for an hour, I'll bring y'all back. We'll roll these up into the balls. And then put them in the oven. And we'll have some Mexican Mocha Balls. See y'all in a little bit. Hey everyone, so it's been an hour and this is what it looked like. And you just take a spoonful, however you size of the Mocha Balls you want. It doesn't give us 1-inch balls. So like this. And you just put them on your cookie sheet. Put it in the oven on 325 for 20 minutes. And you take them out. Alright. So we got a few here on the tray. I'm going to show y'all. Like that. I'm going to do a few more.
Oh, come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Oh, come ye to Bethlehem.
Alrighty, they are done. Oh my goodness, they smell so good. Whoops. Alrighty. We're going to take a look at these. So they look good. I'm going to let them cool. And then I'll do a taste test because these are extremely hot. But they're good. So thank y'all for watching. God bless. Stay safe. We love y'all. And we'll see you next time on Cooking Dairy Free and Alpha Golf and Easy. Okay, I'm adding this up to the end of the video. Here are the Mexican Mocha Balls. Right here. They've got a cherry in there. Let's see here. Here we go. This one has a cherry. Some cherries in it. Oh my gosh. Now mine is still a little moist. I think it's because I kept the cherry juice in here. But look at that. They look good. Oh, they're good. So good. They're still warm. So there we go. Mexican Mocha Balls. And I will leave the recipe down below. Thank y'all.